Hello everyone, this is me, Devasmita Sharkar. Today we are going to talk about cell structure and function. Means we will learn about the structure and function of a cell. Early days of cells. Cells. Cells are the fundamental structure units of living organism and the basic units of life. Robert Hooke discovered his cell in the year 1665 from a thin section of cork under a self-made microscope. Here are the numberings. You can see it. See, first is nucleus, means this is the nucleus. Then is endoplasmatic reticulum, means this. Then is cytoplasm, means this. Then is Golgi apparatus, means this one, this orangish color. Then is mitochondrion, mean this. Then is ribosome, means this small thing. Then is lysosome, this greenish color. DNA, the red color, hot type, and cell membrane, this one. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are of size 1 to 10 U, where 1 is 10 to 6 U. The nucleus is not well defined and known as a nucleoid. Single circular chromosome, membrane bound organelles absent, for example bacterial cell. Eukaryotic size generally factor 100 U. The nucleus is well defined and surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Possesses more than one linear chromosome. Membrane bound cell organelles are present, for example human cell. This is a nice diagram of eukaryote and prokaryote. Just carefully watch it or see it. Observe. Cell structure in eukaryotic cells. Most eukaryotes are multicellular. The nucleus is present in the nucleus. It contains cell organelles such as plastids, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. Fungi, plant and animal cells are eukaryotic. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is separate cell from one another and also the internal content from the surrounding medium. It is porous and allows the movement of substances or materials both inward and outward. Cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and nucleus. Various other components or organelles of cells are present in the cytoplasm. Cell walls in plants. A cell wall is an additional covering over the cell membrane in a plant cell. It gives shape and rigidity to these cells. It gives a rigid structure to plant cells, and that is why they can withstand the stress of high velocity, wind, rain, high temperature, etc. Cell factory. Organelles. The various components present within the cell are known as cell organelles. All these components are special and specific to their function. For example, mitochondria, lysosomes, etc. Nucleus. It is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. The nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called the nuclear membrane. It uses information in the chromosomes to decide what each organelle should do and the function of the cell. The nucleus contains an even smaller concentrated material called nucleus. This is a picture. Observe. Chromosomes. The nucleus contains thread-like structures called chromosomes. These carry genes and helps in inheritance or transfer of characters from their parents to the offsprings. Chromosomes are composed of DNA in the form of chromatin and protein. Chromosomes contain information for the inheritance of features from parents to the next generation in the form of DNA molecules. DNA. DNA molecules contain the information necessary for construction and organizing cell. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. Vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage bubbles of irregular shapes which are found in cells. The vacuole stores the food, a variety of nutrients that a cell might need to survive or waste. In plant cells, vacuoles are much larger than in the animal cell and they provide rigidity to the plant cells. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, also termed as Golgi complex, is a membrane-bound nucleus. Its main function is to modify protein. These modified proteins are placed in Golgi so that it can transport elsewhere in the cell when required. Endoplasmic reticulum. It's a membranous organelle. It's found in the eukaryotic cell. The air is divided into two types based on their physical and functional properties. For example, smooth and rough air. Rough air. It synthesizes and secretes protein in the cells. Smooth air. The cell is involved in the synthesis of phospholipids, the main lipids in cell membranes, and are very important in the process of metabolism. They also transport the products of the rough endoplasmic reticulum to other cell parts like the Golgi apparatus. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are small membrane-bound sac-like structures which release digestive enzymes that break down food. They also remove the old and damaged or dead organelles from the cell and thus protect the cell from further damage. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane-bound sausage-shaped organelle, also known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration of the cell and produce energy in the form of ATP. Plastids. Plant cells have tiny colored structures called plastids. Plastids carry pigments of various colors like orange, red, green, and even colorless. The plastids which carry green color pigment, chlorophyll, are called chloroplasts. Plants versus animals. Comparison of plants and animal cells. Cell organelle, cell wall, cell membrane. Cytoplasm, nucleus, chloroplast, vacuole. Plant cell, cell wall, yes, and animal cell, no. Cell membrane, yes. Means cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus, both sides yes. And in chloroplast, plant cell is yes, and animal cell is no. And vacuole is again yes. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.